with me is Fairphone 5, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, tap on the one you wish to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!